Hey everyone, this is Elaine with Larkin Lane Creations. Today I want to show you how I take a calendar page, we all have them at the end of the year, rather than going to the landfill, let's go on and turn them into some envelopes. So as you can see, I have quite an assortment. I have animals and sceneries, guys fishing, kind of like drawings, again more animals, just sceneries, anything. And I have tons of them because I have a friend that's in the promotional goods business, and at the beginning of every year she gets a lot of calendars for her to try to sell to businesses. And as you can see, I have plenty, but I use them for all kinds of things. I do use them to mail, and again, we always have some kind of paper around that we can make labels out of, and they'll go through the mail just fine. Now, of course, the only thing is there is no adhesive on the back, so you do have to take a tape runner or a little bead of glue to seal it up. And I always put a little bit of tape back there just to secure it for sure, just to be sure that it is going to be tight. But this is probably my favorite template. I'm not sure where I got it. I've had it for a while. And I just wanted to show you how easy it is. You position your template in there, and then you can just tear along that template, and voila. And then there's an insert piece that goes in there, and then you just fold along that template, and then there's your flap. Now in this case, because this calendar page does not have any scenery, of course I would probably just turn it the other way around. I'm so used to having scenery on this side and the numbers on the inside, that's why I did it that way. But anyway, here's a perfectly good, clean, white envelope made out of a calendar. Now there's all kinds of templates out there. Like I said, this is my favorite. For some reason, I'm thinking I might have purchased this set on an online shopping network. And then here's a bigger one for 5x7s. That's kind of the card size. This is a 5x7, and then here we have a square one, which I have to say I don't use very much because we all know it costs more money to send square envelopes through the mail. And then here are some other templates that you trace out on your paper, and then it tells you where to fold it and all. I have those in sizes, and then I have one, of course, for the long regular envelope. So again, I'm hoping that you take advantage of any old calendars or any paper that you have and turn it into some envelopes. Everyone loves getting these. As I had mentioned before with my painted envelopes that I've done, I also use these for bank deposits and everything, and the ladies love it when they get one in the night drop. They know who it's from right off the bat. So let's keep stuff out of the landfill, and please join my YouTube channel, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. And you all have a good day. Don't be wasteful.